If you want to connect your Twilio account to GoHighLevel, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. There's a few steps involved, so stick close and let's dive in. So let's start out here in Twilio, and up on the right hand side you'll see an admin tab. You're going to go ahead and use this drop down menu and you're going to look for account management. Now once we're in account management, you'll pretty much see all of your settings on the left hand side. Now because you're dealing with sensitive information here, you may be required to add a verification code that's going to be emailed to your registered email address. So on the left hand side now, once you're in your account management, you'll see a menu. You want to go down to API keys and tokens. This is under keys and credentials. Now you will need an upgraded package to completely go through this process. But on the right hand side, you're going to click on Create API Key. You're going to go ahead and give it a name. So let's just say API 1. You'll add your region as well as your key type. Also just note that standard keys cannot manage API keys for account configuration and as well as sub accounts. So just keep that in mind, and you can then obviously just change to the key type of your choice. Let's go ahead and click on Create. You'll see two important pieces of information here, an SID and a secret. So these two codes over here you will need in your GoHighLevel account. Now in your GoHighLevel account, on the left hand side you'll see all of your menu options, and you're going to go all the way down to settings. Again, once you are in settings, you'll see another menu, and you are going to scroll all the way down to API keys. Now this is where you need to have your upgraded plan. All right, so this over here is the area where you will add this information. So both this code as well as this code will be added in this section over here, and you'll see it'll require an SID as well as a secret. And once you add it in here, you'll be able to connect your Twilio account to your GoHighLevel account.